Okay, yeah, I haven't made a video in a while, but we're getting ready to go to the store. Well, I'm getting ready to go to the store. And the store I'm actually going to is close to Bath and Body Works. When I'm going to the mall. Bath and Body Works is right there. So, woo, it's hot in this car. And I'm going to the Apple store, and Apple store is like right next door to Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna go inside of Bath and Body Works and see if they got the Coco Shea stuff. If they do, your girl is gonna be excited. And of course, I have to wait on a sale because I don't do regular price. I really don't. I don't do regular price. Hopefully you don't do regular price either. But let's head to the mall. Okay, yeah, I'm at the mall getting ready to pick up my order. Hopefully they have the Coco Shea stuff. I'ma see. So let's go in here and see what we can find. I'm gonna let y'all know right now that I just walked through really fast and just looked and see what they had, which they didn't have anything that I was interested in. Like I said earlier, on this day, I was actually looking for the Coco Shea products just to see when they come out, or even if the store have it, because you just never know. Some stores put stuff out early and some stores, they ain't having it. In this particular store, they not having it at all. No store in my area will ever put anything out early. So that's just what it is. And as y'all do see, this store still have some 75% items. I didn't need any of those items because y'all do know I really do like that rose fine fragrance mist, but I don't need it, so I left it. And again, they got these candles. Just that was it. Nothing really. So this was really just a quick walkthrough just to show y'all what they have in the store, just so I could see actually what's in the store because I haven't been. So here you go. Y'all put out the Coco Shea stuff yet?
Not yet.
Do you know a date?
24th, I believe.
The 24th. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Not to be lying, if it's not the 24th, it'll be the 28th. Oh, sorry, the 31st.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank
you.
You're
welcome.
No Coco Shea yet, y'all. So I'm gonna have to come back because I don't need anything else. So that was just a really quick walkthrough. As y'all do see, a lot of the fall stuff is out. If that's something you're looking for, the fall items, some of that stuff is out. The body care, not so much, but gotta give it a little time. Maybe the 28th or the 30th is when that stuff is gonna come out. But I'm gonna go over here, pick up my order, and be back out the door. Okay, y'all, I'm here at the mall. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough. I know I haven't been posting, I haven't been doing nothing, y'all. But I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough today. Bath and Body Works got their $12.95 candles, or they candles on sale for $12.95. But in my area, they're doing a buy one get one. You want to go to Bath and Body Works first? Now let's go to Apple first. So yeah, because I know this is probably going to take a little bit. It's right here with a white at. So yeah, me and the hubby, he don't want to be on. I just did a live, so I'm sure. No. So yes, y'all, we're gonna go to Bath and Body Works. I think I'm gonna grab a few candles just because they're doing that $12.95 sale. So might as well grab some of the newer candles, the summer 3, fall 1, or whatever they calling it. I'm not really interested in buying any of the Halloween stuff. I always buy that stuff and I never burn it, so that stuff is really a pass for me. So we're gonna go to the Apple store first. We're gonna go to the Apple store first, and then we're gonna go to Bath and Body Works. So I'm gonna give y'all a little walkthrough. I know a lot lot of people are so excited for the Halloween collection. For me, it's a pass because like I said in my live stream, if you haven't seen it, I will link it at the top. I hardly ever burn the holiday candles, the Halloween candles at all. So it's a pass for me. Did you grab any of these soap refills? I have not. I have so many soaps, so that's just a pass for me. Leave down in the comments if you use these lids, these little jars that they put over the candles. Do you use those to smell the candles with? I personally do think you really do get the true scent of the candle. So leave down in the comments, do you do the same thing I'm doing? Leave that down in the comment. I'm just being nosy. I'm just curious who else smelled the candles this way. Now this collection is the collection that I was looking for. When I tell you this collection is everything to me, no, I don't like all of the candles, but I did purchase all of the candles because I just want to give it a try. I really do. Super excited because of the cranberry orange seltzer candle is amazing. If you didn't get that candle last year, now is the time to go ahead and grab that candle because it is so good. So good. I'm just saying, y'all. And shout out to all the teachers that got the extra 10%. Shout out to you. I know the school year is getting ready to start back. So this was a nice little treat for the teachers. So shout out to all of the teachers. I know things is winding down and y'all gonna be right back in the classroom. But this stand, I really like this stand. It was so hard to grab this price tag. I don't know why, but I want this stand, but for $60, it's a pass. So hopefully, I'm gonna cross my fingers. Hopefully this will be a semi-annual sale. The next semi-annual sale, I'll buy it for 50% off, but anything other than that, no. I'm a little sad that the summer is almost done and all of the summer candles is leaving. But I'm not mad at summer 3, fall 1, or whatever they calling it. I'm not mad at these candles. These candles is nice. It's not a whole lot of spicy scents, which I really don't care for. So I was excited to see some of the new stuff. Hats off to Bath and Body Works for these new collections. You know, hopefully we'll get more sales and we could kind of stock up on some of the early fall stuff. So yeah, I'm not mad at it. I'm loving the packaging of a lot of these candles. Really nice. I love seeing a lot of the newer fragrances, which is nice as well. Not real excited about Halloween, so that's a pass for me. And after that, y'all know we'll be getting into like the Christmas stuff. I can't believe it's here already, you know, for us in stores. This store did still have some 75% items, not much, just some fine fragrance mist. They didn't have any candles or anything. This was basically it. So yeah. They did have the candles, and of course your girl got a bag. End up getting like 6 candles. The Speak Easy, the Speak Easy collection. They did have everything that I was looking for, but one of the candles wasn't coming up as being on sale, and I did use a 20% coupon, y'all. They had a couple of the Halloween candles, but of course I didn't want those, so yeah. So I just got the little Speak Easy collection because that's really what I like. So we're gonna see how these throw on cold. Some of them was kind of light. Look like I need lipstick on. So we're gonna see, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all my haul. Maybe when I get home, I'll do that. So, all right, I'll be back in a little bit. If I don't come back, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl a comment at the bottom. What did you buy on this sale? Do all of those things, and I'll be back, or I'll see y'all in the next one. We shall see.